Hi, I'm Mai. Let me walk you through the Suzy website. So let's start by signing in. Here's a dashboard. You can see everything you can do in this website. So let's start. First of all, you can upload some notes. So let's choose some file. Can do this one. And let's name it chemistry notes and upload. You have your note here right now. Let's categorize this note. So we can create a new category. So let's start with that. And we create a chemistry category. And you can check mark which notes you want them in this category. So let's check this and this. Save. And here you can see all your notes. Now let's generate some flashcards to help us study more. So we can select the subject and the note we want. So let's go for this one. And let's load the content. This is the content inside the folder we created. And let's generate the flashcards. You can see them here. Just some Q&As that can help you study more. And let's go for the upload best test. We can upload a best test. So let's see. Let's choose a file. Here it is. Let's categorize also this best test. So we have already a chemistry category that we did. So we just want to check mark the chemistry and save it. Now for mock-up exams, we can just use the notes that we already uploaded to go through a mock-up exam. So let's try. We're going for chemistry, and you can choose any one you want. So let's go for this one. You can also choose all of them by selecting control, but let's go for this one only. And let's see the mock-up test. Here is the mock-up test generated. Let's just answer some random answers. Not sure. And let's submit the test. Oh, I scored 3 out of 10. So you can see here the feedback. You answered wrong or right. You can see all of this. And here in the progress, you can see all the mock-up tests that you already took, and you can view them back to revise everything again. Let's see. Now let's go for the study session. So study session, you can join a study session created by another user, or you can create your own. So you can see these study sessions are private. So I cannot join them until I give the code that the user created for this session. So let's create a new session. Let's name it chemistry as well. You can choose the maximum number of participants. Let's make it 2. We can choose a timer type. So we can make it custom, maybe 10 to 5. And we can choose a public or private visibility. So let's keep it public. And now the session is created, and we will be in the session right now. So you can start a timer, pause it, or reset it. You can create also to-do lists for yourself for this exact session, and you can also hear some relaxing study music. Now let's go for the chat with Suzy. In this module, Suzy can see all the data that you uploaded, all the data that she collected from your time on this website to analyze your study patterns and give you a good feedback. So let's see this one, for example. How did I do in my last mock-up exam? So Suzy will analyze your data, and she will give you feedback first. So let's see. So she told you that your overall average is 40%, your score was 60, and she will tell you also that you constantly struggle with chemistry because we scored 3 out of 10, and a lot of tips that you can do. You can start a new conversation. Let's see, analyze my study time, which is 70 minutes this day. And she's just going to analyze it for you. Here it. Now for the settings part, you can update your profile info, change your password, log out, export your data, anything. So this is Suzy, and I hope you like her. Thank you so much.